Good morning, third grade. Okay, guys. Today we're going to recognize the frequency, address, and difference housework activity. For example, look at here. Address or frequency. The address or frequency are always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, and never. Question, what do you usually do in the morning? Primero que todo hay que ver qué adverbio de frecuencia se utiliza. Aquí vemos que dice usually. También vemos qué acción hace que está entre paréntesis. Entonces debemos apegarnos a eso y responder de la manera correcta. What do you usually do in the morning? I usually mop the floor in the morning. Yes, I usually mop the floor in the morning. Number 2, what do you usually do in the morning? Say walk the dog. I usually walk the dog in the morning. Okay, open your student's book on page number 26. We have a build-up here and we're going to try to make a question and answer it correctly. I usually water the plants in the morning. Do you usually water the plants in the morning? No, I don't. I usually take a walk in the morning. The question could be, what do you always do in the morning? What do you y always? Recuerden que usamos always siempre, entonces tienen que responder de la manera correcta. What do you always do in the morning? The correct answer could be, I always do the laundry in the morning. What do they usually do in the afternoon? They usually sweep the floor in the afternoon. Aquí hay una pregunta muy clara. What do you always do in the morning? Si estás solo, obviamente debes responder, I always do in the morning. Pero si estás acompañado con 2, 3 amigos, debes responder. Te preguntan, what do you always do in the morning? We always sweep the floor in the morning. We, porque estoy en medio de otros compañeros. Si me dicen, si hablamos de la tercera persona, entonces la respuesta, la pregunta cambia. What does? What does he or she often do in the evening? He often or she often plays chess in the evening. Or what does he always do in the morning? He often waters the plant in the morning. Hay algo aquí también importante y es que si ustedes observan en la parte de arriba, I always do the laundry, sweat the floor, take a walk, ninguna lleva una S porque estamos hablando de la primera persona, segunda persona, ¿verdad? Cuarta y quinta. Pero cuando llegamos a la tercera persona, que sería el he o el she o el it, pero ahorita estamos hablando solamente del he y el she, se le añade una S al verbo. Entonces quedaría he always plays chess. He usually waters the plant. In when? In the morning, afternoon, evening, whatever. ¿Ok? Entonces, hay que tener cuidado nada más. ¿Cómo preguntas y cómo responden? What do you always do? What do they usually do? What does he, what does she often do? I always do the laundry. We always sweep the floor. They always take a walk. He often plays chess, or she usually waters the plant. When? In the morning, afternoon, or evening. And now we're going to ask and answer. Number 1. What does Ben usually do in the afternoon? Okay. We can say, podemos responder, Ben usually mop the floor in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Nobody. When? In the afternoon. Or, esta es una forma correcta de responder. O también podemos poner he. Remember, Ben is a man. And we use he. He usually mop the floor in the afternoon. Sorry. Number 2. What does Jenny and Sandy always do in the evening? Remember, Jenny and Sandy were talking about two, two women or two girls. Entonces usamos they porque hablamos de dos personas. Entonces colocamos they always take a walk when in the evening. In the evening. Yes. Number 3, what does your uncle do in the afternoon? He often swept the floor when in the afternoon. Sweeps the floor. Sweeps. Ajá, remember que aquí me comí la S. Y acá en mop the floor, vemos que lleva una S porque hablamos en tercera persona. Mops the floor. He usually mops the floor in the afternoon. And they always take a nap, porque estamos hablando de they, no lleva S. They always take a walk in the evening. And he often sweeps the floor in the afternoon. What does Jay usually do in the morning? ¿Qué hace usualmente Jay en la mañana? Ok. Jay usually o he usually, no importa, ambas son correctas. Goes mountain climbing in the morning. Remember, you need to recognize the frequency adverbs and you need to write correctly. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. I say thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.